Hey there, James. My name is Jose, and here's your video as promised. So, today I'm going to give you 3 tips that you could actually implement onto your website yourselves. That way, you can start bringing in more revenue through your website and attracting more people to your website. So, let's not waste any more time and get to it. The first tip that I have for you is content, and that entails your text and your images. So everything here that's highlighted in blue is what Google can read when it crawls your website. So for example, this image here, see how it says Amarillo plus window plus replacement? What you want to do is save it as an exact match keyword that people are typing into Google when searching for your services. For example, you can use these same words, just take out the pluses. Amarillo window replacement, Amarillo window repair, uh, window repair Amarillo. So those are the words that people are typing into Google exactly. So that's exactly what you need to have. And then you want about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page filled with these types of keywords. That way, when somebody types one of those keywords into Google, Google can match you with that person that is searching. And I did pull up a couple of your top competitors, and I put all 3 of you guys on this tool that I have that allows me to look at your stats. So this is your strength here, and then here's your keywords that you have on your website. As you can see, you have 10. Window World Amarillo has 163. Window Depot Amarillo has 55. Now let's see how many you're actually ranking for. So in order to rank for a word, you need to be in positions 1 through 10. And as you can see, you're only ranking for 2 of them, and you're at the bottom of the page for each one of those. So window replacement Amarillo has 40 searches a month, and you're at the 9th position, so you're at the bottom of the page. Window replacement Amarillo TX, 30 searches a month, bottom of the page again. Amarillo window companies, you're not being found for. Window Amarillo TX, 40 searches, 150 searches here. You're not being found for either. So let's take a look at your competitors to give you an idea of how many they're being found for. Line them up. So here's 90, 40, 40, 40, 90, 40, and they're in first position for each one of these words. So they're getting a ton of calls. Now these guys are staying busy. 90, 40. I don't know how much one of these calls is worth to you, but uh, let's say out of all these, it amounts to hundreds. Looks like. So let's say you get, there's 300 searches for Windows, and you get 10% of that. 30, you land 30 jobs from this. Would that be worth it to you? 30 jobs a month. So that I really wanted to emphasize that for you guys, the keywords and how important they are for your website. The second tip I have for you is your power. So your power is pretty, as you can see here, this is their front page power, and this is their overall website power. And your front page power and overall website power is pretty similar. So that shows me that in your type of business, they haven't really discovered this stuff that I'm showing you. So if you take advantage of this, you're just gonna absolutely dominate your market. So it's you really need to bring up your keywords. You really need to bring up your power. And to bring up your power, you need backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. Okay, and you need high quality backlinks. Not all backlinks are built the same. As you can see, they have 273, and you only have 67. Yet your scores are similar. So uh, really need to get more backlinks. Um, and the third tip I have for you is the map pack here. And it looks like you're already on the map pack. So what you want to do in order to beat these guys out is definitely get some more reviews, but you want to get more citations as well. And by citations, I mean anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, that's what a citation is. And you want to get about uh, 20 or 30 citations above what your competitors have. And you can use online tools to figure that out, how many they have. So those are the 3 tips I wanted to give you. Number 1, citations, 2, backlinks, and 3, keywords. So again, I hope this video was helpful for you. All that I ask is that you leave me some feedback, maybe on the Facebook page or the Google My Business page, or a phone call. My number is 806-268-7118. My name is Jose, and I'll be happy to help. Have a good one.